Welcome back. Citizen Welfare Committee of Fatorda has demanded that the Water Supply Department should rectify the bills issued as per new tariffs. They say that the department should issue the bills on old tariffs. Committee has threatened Congress to teach it a lesson during upcoming assembly polls if their demands are not met.
Citizen Welfare Committee of Fatorda held a press briefing on Tuesday at Madgaon. They are annoyed with the Water Supply Department. They have demanded that water bills should be rectified as per the old tariffs. They have blamed Congress government for this mess.
पयलींची बिलां आसा ती हजारांनी पयलीं तुमी फारीक करात आनी मागीर हें बिल फारीक करा म्हणून तितले पयशे हे आमी खंयच्यान हाडपाचे पयशे हजारांनी बिल जे आमकां 800 रुपया बिल येतालें नॉर्मल 1500 2000 आनी जशें 1200 बिल येतालें ताका 6500 रुपया ही बिलां लोकांनी खंयच्यान फारीक करपाची हो पयसो आतां इलेक्शनाक काय दुसरो डॅम बांदपाचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा हांगेलो काय बोल्सां वचपाचे पयशे आसा ते डिक्लेअर करचे गव्हर्नमेंटान.
General Secretary of the committee has threatened of anti-Congress voting if their demands are not met.
जोरी तर बऱ्या भाशेन आमी मागता लोक मागता त्या भाशेन गव्हर्नमेंट करिना जाल्यार आमी गव्हर्नमेंटा ह्या फाटी इलेक्शनाक काबां करून उडयतले. आमकां काँग्रेस नाका आनी कोणूय यो कित्याक बरे भाशेन गोंयचें राज चलय आनी गोंय चोरांक दिनाका काबां करपाक.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
I-League leaders Dempo Sports Club and second-placed Churchill Brothers maintained their positions after scoring victories in the 12th round of the league. Dempo defeated HAL by 3-0 in Bangalore, while Churchill registered a fantastic 5-0 victory over local rivals Sporting Clube de Goa at Fatorda on Wednesday.
Churchill Brothers were the favourites to win the match against Sporting Clube de Goa, and Varka-based club did not disappoint their fans. Andy Opara was the star of the day for Churchill Brothers. Opara scored a timely hat-trick. Vinesh Balan scored the other 2 goals to complete a 5-0 rout of the Flaming Orange.
Today Dempo won 3-0. Still they are on the top.
No.
One goal, 1 point difference.
But no, this is no problem. Problem is still play well. This is very important. Still win the games. Still play very well. This is very important because of the next game and the first round. After you have 1 round more. The championship is too far. Scared about the East Bengal, Mohan Bagan.
So 1 full round is left.
Exactly.
So there's a long time to go.
Long time to go. Long time. You see, 4 weeks ago, 7 points behind the Dempo. Now 1 point. Need care, need calm, need still the job. This is very important.
Over in Bangalore, leader Dempo Sports Club scored an easy 3-0 victory over bottom-placed HAL. Renty Martins was the hero for Dempo as the Nigerian scored 2 goals. Climax Lawrence also contributed a goal. This victory ensured that coach Armand Colaso's side will enter the new year sitting at the top of the table. With bureau inputs, our reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
And before we end our bulletin, a look at the various attractive cribs in the state. This time, many have focused on Goan nature and environment. With this, we take your leave. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.
Christmas time to share our love. Come and join the tidings to the world. Christmas time, the best time of the year. Yes, it's Christmas time. Oh, Christmas time. Christmas time, time to share our love. So come and join the tidings to the world. It's Christmas time, the best time of the year. Yes, it's Christmas time. Oh yeah.